Increased efficiency. Emerging technologies can automate and streamline processes, reducing the time and resources required to complete tasks. Improved accuracy. Technologies such as AI and machine learning can perform tasks with a higher degree of accuracy and precision than humans. Enhanced communication. IoT and 5G networks allow for seamless communication and data transfer across devices and networks. Increased safety. Autonomous vehicles, smart homes, and other technologies can help improve safety and reduce the risk of accidents or errors. Cost savings. By reducing the need for manual labor and streamlining processes, emerging technologies can help reduce costs and increase profitability. Better decision-making. Technologies such as big data analytics and AI can provide insights and predictions that can inform better decision-making. Improved quality of life. Technologies such as AR and VR can provide immersive experiences and enhance entertainment, education, and healthcare.